There is a place in the national capital where the water of Yamuna River is clean as a crystal, and right now we are at that particular place, and that particular place is Sonia Vihar. You can see the visuals behind me. The color of the water is completely blue and the water is clear. We can say that the water is drinkable at in this particular area. It is the Sonia Vihar area where the water is this much clean, and also the water sport activities continues to be held here, and people come here, and various sports have been also been practiced here, and played here in this particular spot. And you can see the visuals. We are showing our viewers that the water is very, very clear, and the question that still remains that when will the Yamuna be cleaned? But this is a game changer because the water is very clean. There is no, we can say, such garbage over the ghats as well. You can see the areas surrounded by the Yamuna River as well, and no specific foul smell can also be experienced on this particular ghat. And you can see the scenic beauty that is visible from here as well, and it is very interesting to see that after crossing this particular area, there is a Wazirabad bridge that is there, and after crossing that particular bridge, the water of Yamuna gets foul, gets dirty, and the foul smell starts coming after the Yamuna River crosses this particular Wazirabad bridge. So yes, there have been efforts that have been started by the BJP government to clean the Yamuna, and the initiatives have been taken, but some people have joined us to talk about this particular area, the Sonia Vihar area, in which we are present right now. So what all water sports have been played here, and what is the situation of the river present here? यहाँ पर किस तरीके का पानी है, कब से ये पानी इतना साफ है, क्या यहाँ पर भी कुछ मशीनें लगाई गई हैं, कितने सालों से ये इतना साफ पानी यहाँ पर नजर आ रहा है?
ये अभी तो मतलब पहले तो पानी गंदा हुआ करता था, अभी कुछ टाइम से कुछ ज़्यादा ही साफ़ है। मतलब पहले यहाँ नीचे कुछ भी नहीं दिखता था, अभी हम खड़े हो जाते तो नीचे की मिट्टी साफ दिखती है, क्लियर दिखती है। फिलहाल हमने मशीन देखी तो नहीं है अभी आंखों से सामने की सफाई करते हुए देखी तो नहीं है, पर पानी साफ है पहले से।
पानी साफ है, लेकिन बहुत से घाट हैं जहाँ पे बहुत यमुना का पानी गंदा है, बदबू वहाँ पर आती है। तो क्या ये ब्रिज को जब क्रॉस करता है तब पानी गंदा होने लग रहा है? आप लोगों ने क्या ऑब्जर्व किया?
जैसे कि यहाँ पर तो अभी पूजा वगैरह कोई करता नहीं है इतनी, वहाँ पर एक घाट है जहाँ पर लोग ज़्यादातर पूजा करते हैं, धूप बत्ती वगैरह सुलगा कर वहीं रख देते हैं और पॉलिथीन वगैरह सब वहीं फेंक देते हैं। अपना काम जो भी होता है, अगर वो समय पर उसे यूज़ करके फेंक देना तो कूड़ा खुद होगा ही नहीं, पर लोग वहाँ पर अंदर पानी के अंदर कूड़ा फेंक देते हैं, तो उसकी वजह से वो और गंदी हो रही है जमुना।
Rightly said, because it's not only the duty of the government to clean the Yamuna River, but it is also the duty of the people living in the national capital to take care of the riverfronts, to take care of the ghats, and particularly the Yamuna River, because a lot of religious sentiments have been attached of a lot of people from the Yamuna River. So yes, it is also the duty of the people living in the national capital to keep their areas clean, to keep the Yamuna River ghats clean. अगर सोनिया विहार की बात की जाए, इस वाटर क्लब की बात की जाए, तो इस सोनिया विहार एरिया में कौन कौन से वाटर स्पोर्ट्स फिलहाल चल रहे हैं?
यहाँ पर ड्राइंग चलती है, बहुत सारे आर्मी बीएसएफ क्लब, सारे क्लब हैं यहाँ पर, और क्या बोलते हैं कैनोई, कैकिंग और हर चीज़, पैरा वगैरह सब।
तो यहाँ पे जो ओलंपिक लेवल गेम्स है, वाटर स्पोर्ट्स है, उनकी भी तैयारियां यहाँ पर होती है? वहाँ के भी जो कुछ पार्टिसिपेंट्स है यहाँ पर प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए आते हैं?
हाँ, यहाँ पर नेशनल लेवल के भी बहुत सारे बच्चे नेशनल भी खेल रखे हैं, इंटरनेशनल भी खेल रखे हैं, वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप भी खेल रखे हैं बहुत सारे बच्चों में।
So rightly, viewers, you can see a lot of we can say the students, rather we can say the children, we can say the young people who are coming here to practice the Olympic level sports at this particular area, the Sonia Vihar Water Club, and the Yamuna is very clean, crystal clear in this particular area. And as of now, a lot of water sports is being played here, is being practiced here, but in future we can also observe different cruise that will be started from this particular area, and some more touristy things can also be added from here, starting from here to other ghats as well. So it can be transformed into a big touristy area as per the BJP government as well, because BJP has promised to make riverfronts like the Sabarmati riverfront in the national capital as well. So it will be a major breakthrough for the BJP government as well, because they have promised in their campaigns, in their manifesto as well, to clean Yamuna on priority basis. And this particular area, this particular ghat, which is in the Sonia Vihar, is one of the most beautiful and scenic places which can be seen surrounded by the Yamuna river, because the water is blue and the water is crystal clear in Sonia Vihar as of now. With camera person Avdesh, I am Mehendi Garg for News X.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.